Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how Perplexity AI works. Perplexity AI is an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, but much improved version. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser and go here to perplexity.ai. And once when you're here, you have to log in because once when you log in, then you can save information regarding your searches, regarding your the information that you seek. It's very convenient. So I always log in because logging in actually saves my history, my chat history, my search history on either ChatGPT or here, and then I can access that again if I need it. So without much ado, this is actually the website, and you can see there's home here, this ask anything search bar, and here it is focus. I am going to discuss focus again in the future shortly, but focus, if I summarize focus, it's more like a streamlined research, that if I want my research to be generic and if I want all the content related to it, if I want my research to be academic or in more like a writing format, or more like, YouTube video, like if I want to write the description of a YouTube video or a Reddit post. So you can see there are a lot of options here. And there's also a pro mode, which is a paid version. And I have 5 searches left today, reloads every 4 hours. So if I want a pro version, I have to, buy the pro version. I have to subscribe to it. Otherwise, if I want to use it for free, then I can use it for free 5 times and then it will refresh. If I finish my searches, my pro searches in, like, for example, in 1 hour, then I have to wait 3 more hours to get my reloads fill up. So I hope you understood it. It's very simple. And they have given us some options here. And this is the Discover tab. So it's more like Perplexity AI created their own search engine, and it's more like a Google version of Perplexity AI, where we can see related articles. We're going to come back here again, and this is the library where we'll have our threads and our collections. I'll come back to it later on. Let's just start by asking something. How are volcanoes formed? Spelling is wrong. Let me correct it. Sorry. So yes, this is my search. Let's go. So you can see this is actually the beauty of Perplexity AI, that it summarizes the content of 3 to 4 sources. And now you can see it has taken content from this source as well, and from this source, and from this source. It's actually summarizing the content of all these sources. Otherwise, what we would have to do, we would just have to go here and read this and take out some important points from here. Then we would have to go here, read this, skim through it, and get the most important points, and same for all the other sources. But the beauty of Perplexity AI is it automatically took all the important points from all these sources, and then it summarized them in a paragraph. So we don't have to search and skim through all these sources. And there are some images as well along with this written paragraph, and videos as well that is related to what it's trying to say here. And here you can see there are some related content that we can use as well. So this is the basic, I would say, functionality of Perplexity AI. Now I'm going to tell you what collection is. Let me write volcano research here. And then I am going to add up another collection, and I'm going to write volcano. Sorry, don't mind my spellings. Report. So this is another collection that I have created, And you can see you can write a description about it or also give prompts to make the research more focused and streamlined. So I'm going to click create here. Collection is more like a database where you can do similar searches. So that's the basic functionality of a collection. Now you're going to click here library, and once when you click here you can see that your threads and your collections are saved here. So I'm going to click here and basically I'm going to edit it. So just give me a second, and I'm going to write give your answers in bullet points. So this is what I have written. And the beauty of this software is that whenever you make a collection and you name it, it is going to suggest similar alternatives or suggestions to the name of your collection. So my collection name was Volcano Report. So now it's suggesting me what are the current active volcanoes around the world worth keeping an eye on, etc., etc. So this is the beauty of it. So if I open an answer randomly, you see, I just wrote in the description to give the answers in bullet forms, and now it is giving me the answers in bullet forms. So this is the beauty of this software, and you can see it's very detailed and in bullets. And again, it has taken content from all these websites and summarized it so that it's easy for us to read. It won't waste our time, and it's just simple as that. Now I'm here to discover, and I'll explore this section with you. So like I said before, Discover is more like a search engine of Perplexity. And let's just open this up. So you can see there are a lot of article-like content that you can explore and you can see for yourself. And this Chinese room thought experiment, I've opened this up and it is giving me a detailed summary on what it actually is. And again, it has taken content from all these sources. So it's more like a library, I would say, or a search engine where you get selective articles that you can open and have a look. So this was actually the basic function of this website, Perplexity AI. And let me just try one more time. So I have told, this Perplexity to write a report on smoking effect on hair loss. What specific aspect of smoking and hair loss would you like to focus on? Effects. So this is more like a feedback that we're giving. And whoa, it has taken content from 16, 17, 18, 19 websites and given us a summary right here. And it's also telling us from where it got the content or the paragraph from. Like this paragraph was taken from these 3 sources. We can also click these sources and check for ourselves, but I'm sure we're not going to do that because we are getting all the things we require right here. And if I be a little more, I would say, focused, and let me try this one. And if I, ask Perplexity to write it more in an academic form of writing. So now this software, Perplexity, has written this in an academic format. which is mostly used in reports or final year projects. And please include studies and experiments too. Yes, now I told Perplexity to include studies and experiment, and it has included these studies. So these cases. This was it. This is how you actually use this application, Perplexity. So I hope you like this video. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.